Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change your phone number on Xnest. First, open the Xnest app and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down and find the settings section. If you don't see it right away, tap the gear icon at the top right corner. In Settings, look for the Security Type option and tap Security. Tap on Change next to your current phone number. Choose New Phone Number, then tap Next. Enter your new phone number, then tap Send me a code. Check your phone for the OTP or one-time password. Enter it in the box and confirm. And that's it. That's how to change your phone number on Xnest. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.